shit!
In this episode,
whoa! Oh! Damn kickstand sensors. Where the hell did I lose my light? Oh damn, my whole tail end ripped off.
Barber rides the EveRide Loop. We started the day out leaving Teasdale to top off our tanks. Then headed back to Teasdale to start day 5, heading towards Brianhead. The dirt section started out with some tight, kind of rough 2-track that was excellent riding. There were tight ups and downs and arounds with a steep ledge off to the right. Camera does this no justice.
This is my kind of trail. Control that throttle, Brad. This guy might have to put his traction control on. There you go. Yeah, control it, Brad, baby. You got it.
I love these kind of trails. Slow, kind of technical.
Oh, shit! Yeah, I know. Now I hit a little soft piece and I grabbed a little bit too much front brake. This 890 with those double brakes, man. Like, yeah, shit, a dime. I mean, I could have grabbed it, but if you want to help, you know what I'm saying? Follow your rules, huh? All right. Thank you, sir. I had to dump it today. All right, let's go. All right, got that one. We'll reanalyze that one later. Ooh, that long leg I need. Caleb, I need to borrow your leg. Yeah, for real, huh? All right. Yeah, I had to let it fall over, unfortunately. What the hell you got? Oh, damn. Yeah, it's not ready yet. Yeah, this is the first trail we've been on where it hasn't been on my GPS. Yeah, I don't see any blinking lights. Oh, hold on, I see you breaking your own rules, man. I don't even know if I can put my kickstand down. I need to piss.
You guys got electric
Damn kickstand sensors.
Back to it after Caleb bypassed his damaged kickstand sensor.
That was close. Oh, look at the deer. He's going up the hill. Going left. 12 o'clock. Oh, there he goes. Right through the gap. Oh. Trying to keep my boots dry. Is it deep?
I love water crossings. Of course, I rode off into the deep side.
Oh, oh, yeah, I'm wet too. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, my right foot's wet. For sure. Oh, both feet are wet. I feel it. Ah. Well, I really only got another day or so left. Yeah, what'd you do? His bike's not even wet, you fucker. His tires aren't even wet. Look at that. See, we're gonna make a left here. I don't know.
Drain pipe came out of nowhere.
Did I? Oh wow. How the hell did I lose my life? Oh damn. My whole tail end ripped off. Damn, I lost the whole rear end. Damn KTM, I'm doing a review video and it's like, how dare you? Oh man, that's all the Type 2 I can take.
And remember, there will be no whining.
Ooh, that one almost took me out. Yeah, I gotta be in first gear here. Ooh. Yeah, it's nice and comfortable. Yeah, that's what I was like. Oh man, I had a lot of adrenaline going earlier, so. Coming in hot. Wow. That's amazing. Strawberry pointish. Sections like this, but like Idaho is a lot of just Forest Service roads. There's a couple cool roads, but yeah, I really like the stuff we did this morning. That'll add a bit to your loop, doing stuff like that. And like you said, like having like a loop style trail adventure is always cool, because like it just sucks going from the beginning to the end, and then now you gotta ride home on the pavement. Oh, look at that guy. Almost had it. I was trying to do the little pivot move, but I had it in neutral. That's not going to do it. Go up that crack right there. Yeah, I'm interested to see where this trail goes, where it comes out at. You know, oh, truck, trailer, Tesla. Oh, it's a Ford. Down to the left around it, I think.
And it was 42 degrees in Brianhead.
We don't go up that way. Yeah, I think that's to the ski resort.
Parking for the night.
Oh, yeah, we're pretty much walking around the hotel in our underwear.
Well, we're going to the pool.
Yeah, we're going to the pool. That's what we're doing. We gotta go check out the pool.
Sounds like people are
I think we should just walk down the stairs.
Oh, there goes
Are we
the
walking
pool.
downstairs?
And all we wanted was a jacuzzi.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be hitting a jacuzzi. Yeah, we're just walking around the hotel in our underwear since we don't have anything else to wear. I think they went down in the
There's a bunch of fumes inside that fridge. I think they're using that as a
an underground garage in our underwear. This is an underwear trip. Just walking around. Yeah, you know. Ooh. They look all weirded out.
Thanks for watching Day 5 from Teasdale to Brianhead. Barber rides the EveRide Loop. Day 6 next up.